children, welcome to online edu classes of Brilliant Public School, in which today we are going to discuss chapter 15, Air Around Us, part 2 of class 6. Let us discuss about oxygen. The most important gas for the survival of living being is oxygen. What we inhale oxygen. And what we exhale carbon dioxide. When we breathe in, we take oxygen, and when we breathe out, we exhale carbon dioxide. So, oxygen is most important thing for us, for our survival. Oxygen is about 21% in the atmosphere. Let us discuss some characteristics of oxygen. Oxygen is about 21% in atmosphere. It is produced during photosynthesis by green plant, and air supports burning. For this, let us perform an activity. Light a candle and cover it with a glass jar. After some time, you will observe that candle is not burning. Why? Because as much as oxygen is present in the glass jar is being consumed by the candle, and after all the oxygen is consumed, candle will extinguish. It proves that without oxygen, burning is not possible. Burning requires oxygen. Let us discuss photosynthesis. Plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll with the help of water, minerals, and carbon dioxide. Chlorophyll traps sunlight and provides energy to the plant for making food. This process is called photosynthesis. Here, by green leaf, carbon dioxide and water is being consumed for making carbohydrates and oxygen. The whole process is known as photosynthesis. Chlorophyll is present in the green leaf of the plant. So we can say that green leaf is the kitchen of the plant. The amount of oxygen decreases with height. That's why mountaineer climbing a high mountain carry oxygen cylinder with them, so that on the height of the mountain they will not face any breathing difficulty. Divers also carry oxygen cylinder while going into deep sea because they cannot utilize dissolved oxygen in the water, and the amount of oxygen is very less there. Let us discuss about nitrogen. It is present in maximum amount in atmosphere, that is 78% of whole atmosphere is nitrogen. It can neither burn nor supports the burning. Activity to show that nitrogen is major component of air. Fix two small candles of the same size in the middle of the shallow container. This is the container and this one is the candle. Now fill the containers with some water. Here this is water, this is also water. Light the candle and then cover each one of them with an inverted glass. Do the candle continue to burn or go off? Does the level of water inside glasses remains the same? Burning can occur only in the presence of oxygen. We see that one component of air is oxygen. Now the amount of air and hence its oxygen component inside each glass in our experiment is limited. When most of this oxygen is used up by the burning candle, it can no longer burn and blows out. Also, water rises up in the glass once the candle blows out. Here, water is rising. You can see here higher level of water is there. So, this rise in water level should not be associated with the amount of oxygen utilized in the burning of the candle. In this activity, did you observe that a major part of air is still present in the glass bottle even after the candle blew out? This indicates the presence of some component in air which does not support burning, and this component is nitrogen. Here you can see that oxygen is essential for burning, and here when we are filling this container with some water, the level of water is getting up. Means major component in atmosphere or air is nitrogen. Usage of nitrogen gas. It is used in making fertilizers for plant. It is used in making explosives. It is used in making chemical like nitric acid. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is present in very small amount in atmosphere. Still, it is very important to us. Plants use carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. In closed room, if there is some burning material, we feel suffocated because of presence of carbon dioxide. Water vapor. Air contains water vapor. The amount of water vapor present in atmosphere is called humidity. Presence of water vapor in atmosphere is essential for the continuation of water cycle. Smoke and dust particle. Smoke and dust particles are also present in atmosphere. It is harmful for us. We breathe through our nostril. Fine hairs present in our nostril prevent dust particle entering our lungs. That is why we should never breathe in air through our mouth, because harmful dust particles and germs present in it may enter our body and affect our health. Traffic policemen wear masks at crowded crossroads to protect themselves from the smoke emitted by vehicles such as cars, scooters, and buses. This smoke contains harmful gases. Tall chimneys are installed in factories to emit harmful smoke and gases at a certain height in the atmosphere. This protects people from inhaling poisonous gases and smoke. Availability of oxygen to animal and plant living in water. When we boil water, we can easily see bubbles are coming out. Bubbles coming out from boiling water comes from the air dissolved in boiling water. This dissolved air is being used by aquatic animal for breathing. Here you can see some aquatic animal and plant. Plants like lotus, which are floating on the surface of water, are having stomata at the upper surface of their leaf. Availability of oxygen to animal and plant living in soil. For this, let us discuss an activity. Take some garden soil in a beaker or glass and pour some water. What you will see? You will observe that air bubbles are coming out of the soil because water pushes the air out of the spaces between the particles of the soil. Animals that live in soil like earthworms and plant root get oxygen for breathing from the air present between the soil particles. Earthworms normally live in soil. They come out of soil only during heavy rain. This happens because when it rains heavily, rainwater fills up all the spaces occupied by air in soil. Let us discuss some other uses of air. Moving air is used to turn the blades of the windmills. A windmill used to draw water from tube wells to run floor mills and to generate electricity. So children, now you know that air is very important to us. Without air, we can't survive, right? So, on this note, be kind to your mind. Believe in yourself and thank you.